What is water used for in a plant? So there are 4 processes that use water in a plant. The first one I'm going to say is photosynthesis. Then we have tubular pressure, hydrolysis, and transportation. Those are the processes that need water in a plant. And obviously a plant cannot live without water. Plants can go very long without water, especially cactuses and succulents. But they still need water. So photosynthesis is a process by which green plants and some organisms use sunlight to synthesize foods from carbon dioxide and water. Synthesize means produce foods. So in photosynthesis, green plants and other organisms produce foods from carbon dioxide and water. So that's how they use water. They produce foods. Photosynthesis in a plant generally involves the green pigment chlorophyll and generates oxygen as a byproduct. So the next one is tubular pressure. Tubular pressure can build up in living walled cells. It is generated through driven inflow of water into cells across a selectively permeable membrane. This membrane is typically the plasma membrane. So the third one I'm talking about is hydrolysis. Now this is the third process that I'm talking about of why plants need water and what the water is used for. Hydrolysis is the chemical breakdown of a compound due to a reaction with water. So any kind of compound or something that is in the soil or water, the hydrolysis helps break down that for the plant to use as food. So that is all I have to say about hydrolysis. Transportation. So transportation in plants refers to the movement of water and minerals from the roots to different parts of the plants. It also includes the movement of the food prepared by the leaves to the entire plant. So now I'm going to go back and talk about the tubular pressure. So I'm going to show a picture right now of what tubular pressure does. So basically, a good example is right now, this loofah plant was dehydrated. Like it didn't have enough water. So I just now watered it, and soon the tubular pressure will come back because it needs water, and the stem and stuff will all have pressure, so it's more like this. So loofahs are kind of a bad example, but since this one was kind of dry, it was a good example for today. But since squash and loofahs have wilty leaves already. It's kind of harder to understand, but I hope that was helpful. So, like the difference between this one and this one, that is because this one did not have water to make the tuger pressure. So I hope that helps, and I hope you learned something new today. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day.